All right, I'm back at the Demopark near Amsterdam, and beside me is the Nordic from Tiny Rebel Houses. Tiny Rebel has been on the channel before, but not with an in-person tour, so this is definitely an upgrade from the last video. What we've got here, believe it or not, is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom plus storage loft in 516-ish square feet. So Tiny Rebel, they build out of Latvia and they ship over to Belgium and Holland, and they've got the wood cladding that definitely gives them a bit of a signature look. I'm gonna take a quick cruise around the outside, then I'm gonna duck inside and we will have a look at the Nordic. All right, I'm hitting this thing from the front to start because I think it's the best angle on this home. You've got the big picture window on the front and you can't see it too well during the day. Actually, you can kind of see it, but they've got the LED light strip that runs up and around both sides, which at night is going to look very cool. So a bit of an overhang on the front. I would probably put planters up there. Who am I kidding? I'm not doing that. Don't know anything about gardening. Heading around the side, you've got a sliding glass door here. They've got this signature look with the thermally modified wood siding that just looks really cool in my opinion. And if you look up on the roof, you will see the solar panels. So I was talking to the guy inside and what he said was spring, summer, and into the fall, you're going to be able to go off-grid in this one. But during the winter, obviously when it's cloudy or there's snow on the roof, you're not going to be off-grid. Okay, so part of the year, but not all of the year. They've got these black frame windows on this home, and against the wood, I think it looks quite cool. So the Tiny Rebel signature look is working well. Let's duck inside and see exactly what they've got going on with this interior. I would go all the way around, but you know what? It's kind of into the shrubs back there. So we have got a full-length window on the door, and heading in, the first space that you see across from the front door is the bathroom. I think I'm gonna pan left and start in the living room. So first things first, look up, and the LED light strip theme has continued on the inside. I wish it was dark out right now and I could see exactly what it's going to look like at night, but this place is only open till 4. And last night, because of where we're located in the world right now, it was light out till 10 p.m., which was pretty cool. So here's the big window that I was talking about. Look at that. Frames the other homes across the way quite nicely. The way they've got the living room set up, they've got the couch on one wall, across from the TV, they've got a chair there and the sliding glass door. So if it were me, I would build a deck up to the height of the door. Obviously they haven't, because this is not a permanent thing here. This is a temporary spot, but if you're gonna put it somewhere and live in it full time, or even as a holiday home, you're gonna wanna build that deck up and even do it the length of the home. Why not? So across on the other side of the roof, you've got the skylights. So one side has the solar, the other has skylights. Kind of tucked on the left of the living room is a bit of a dining space. Let's head back down and you can see the ladder on the left. I'm gonna do a quick shot up into the storage loft, which is right now being used for storage. What's stopping someone from putting a bed up there, you ask, or even a mattress just in case someone comes to visit? Absolutely nothing. You go right ahead. So galley kitchen, they've got the under cabinet lighting there and wood countertop, which looks sweet. Let's check out what we got going on for storage. Dishwasher right there on the right. Under the sink, oh, this is interesting. This is not what you typically see under the sink. Usually it's just an open cabinet. You know, you've got your soaps under there and what have you, but this is definitely a little bit more, or a lot bit more organized. So you got a slide out shelf and then this shelf or not shelf, this drawer that comes out as well. I like that. Beside it, there's the fridge. Oh my, would you look at that? It's stocked. Okay, we've got the cooktop here, stove down below, and then a bank of drawers on this end. So, marketing materials, some bread, and we'll call this another pots and pans drawer right on the end. Into the bedroom, we have got an exit out that way through this window. These windows do open. It's got a screen on it, so you know what? I'm going to take that back. They do open sideways as well as tilt typically, but because of the screen, I'm not going to feel comfortable calling that an exit. As I pan around, you will see they've got the built-in lighting behind the bed, and the door on this one is a slider. So there you go. Bedroom 2 is right across from the kitchen. This is the smaller of the two bedrooms, so maybe you're putting a single bed, a single set of bunks in here, whatever, or even just using it as storage because it's not a huge room. This is 516 square feet. For two bedrooms, this is what you get. Not huge, definitely workable. Going back to the bathroom is a completely different story. So not a huge home, but a very nice sized bathroom. Again, we've got the slider on this one. So there you go with that. Heading in, vanity first with the black sink, black hardware, round mirror up above. You got the toilet in the corner with a little bit of storage over there. Since I don't know what that says, I'm not going to open it. Window here and the walk-in shower. Go around here and have a look at the storage in this one. So you've got a bit of shelving right there to put some towels, TP, you know, stuff like that. I'm going to go back out here. Here's another look at the front door, which again is full glass, letting in natural light. We'll have one last look at the living room right before I pull up the floor plan. I do want to talk about the pricing. So the price on this one is 136,000 euros, and that's kind of where it starts. So that's the base price, 136,000 euros. Let's have a look at the floor plan. Here's a look at the floor plan, which is always the perfect time to subscribe to the channel because I'm just getting warmed up here, and there's plenty more where this came from if you go to the dance with me. As you can see, 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, front living room, and galley kitchen. They do have more models available, including a 2-story home that looks awesome, so would be surprised if this is the last we see of Tiny Rebel on the channel, but I guess only time will tell. If you want more time with the floor plan, feel free to pause it here because I'm moving on. There you have it, the Nordic from Tiny Rebel Houses. Again, you've got 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, you got the storage loft, all in right around 516 square feet for 136,000 euros. Hope you enjoyed the tour. That is it for me here at the Demopark. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.